Hello everyone, this is Quantiperm's xFlowCO2-Surge FRC carbonation system. You can take chilled flat product, and I mean dead flat product, carbonate it all the way to like 4+ volumes and send the product directly to a packaging line. So let me show you how this system works. Typically you have a pump that's pumping the beverage from the supply tank, the chilled beverage, and it pumps into the system, and this is the beverage inlet into the system. The flow can be throttled to meet whatever production needs are, and then its actual flow rate is metered here, and then in here the gas is injected, and CO2 gas is hooked up here, and a portion of the gas is going in and is going to be injected as a ratio of the liquid flow rate. Now that ratio is determined by what carbonation volumes you want the machine to accomplish for you. And at every instant, for whatever the liquid flow rate is, it's always maintaining that flow ratio and therefore that carbonation level. The system has 100% mass transfer efficiency, and it does not put in a bubble more than what's required to carbonate the beer or the beverage. And once the gas is injected, it goes through a holding loop, and then it goes into this surge tank, which is also under a counter pressure, and that counter pressure is actually determined, what that level is determined by the carbonation level and the beverage temperature, which is set up here. And this tank also has a CIP system, of course the counter pressure system, and a level control system, so that during normal operation of your filler, the level of product in this tank is always between a certain low level and a certain high level. So your filler can draw product at whatever rate it needs. In a sense, the filler doesn't even have to know that it's getting the product for packaging from this particular system. It can be any bright tank as far as we are concerned. And the product is tapped out of this tank at the bottom there. Okay. And this pump is wired in to the controller here, and depending on the level situation in the tank and the filler operations, this can command the pump to come on and off as needed. So with the system, basically you can support line speeds from anywhere near 0 all the way up to 280 cans a minute, like 100 liters a minute or 26 gallons a minute roughly. Can take dead flat product, carbonate all the way to 4 volumes. So you don't need any bright tank inventory in your plant. You just need ambient pressure tanks for supply vessels to store the flat product, and you can send packaged product out the door.